Google Home works great out of the box, but here are 5 settings that you can change to make it work even better. So the first setting that you can change is to set it to make a noise. So by default, when you call Google Home, it's just going to show the 4 dots. It's not going to make a sound at all, and these 4 dots can be quite hard to see if the Google Home is far away from you or you're just looking at it from a bad angle. To make it make a sound, you can go to the menu and then you can go to devices and then you go to settings. And then under accessibility, you can change it to make a noise when it starts listening and to make a noise when it stops listening. Okay Google, cats. Number 2 is to set additional voices. You can actually link multiple accounts to the same Google Home, so you can do things like this. Okay Google.
Okay Google, what is my name?
Your name is Adam.
That's right.
Okay. You can also do more advanced things like ask the Google Home to look at your calendar, and based on your voice it will know which calendar to look at. So to do this, you go to the phone that is signed into the account that you want to link to the Google Home, and then you go to menu and then you go to devices, and in devices you should see that there's a blue box that shows up right by your Google Home. And then you just accept some terms and conditions, and if your voice has already been set up with your phone, you won't have to set it up again to work with the Google Home. But if you haven't registered your voice with your account, it will ask you to do that. So you just have to basically say okay Google twice, and you say hey Google twice too. And that's it, the second account will now be linked to the Google Home. Number 3 is to set routines. So routines are great for condensing a whole load of commands into just one word or a few keywords, with this keyword then triggering all of those commands. So to do this, you go to menu and then you go to more settings and then you go to routines. There are some preset routines that can be modified, although you can make your own custom ones from scratch. And you can have them be as simple as just doing one thing, or you can have them do loads of things, such as switching off the lights, changing your phone volume, and then reading you the news. Number 4 is to add smart devices. So if you've got smart devices at home like the Philips Hue bulbs or LifeX bulbs, you can add them to the Google Home so you can control them by your voice. You can do this by going to the menu, then going to more settings, and then going to home control. And then you tap the blue plus button and you find your smart device, and then you usually have to just sign in and accept some terms and conditions, and then you should have added it. And then once you've done that, any devices that you have registered under your Philips Hue account or LifeX account will move onto the Google Home, and then any devices or scenes that you've got set up will move to your Google account, so you'll be able to control them via your voice. And then number 5 is to change the equalizer. So you can give your Google Home more bass and more treble, or you can do the opposite and reduce them if you want to match your tastes. To do this, you go to menu and then you go to devices, and then you tap on the 3 dots next to your Google Home and go to settings, and then under that you should see equalizer. And from there you can change how loud or how quiet the bass and treble is. So there you have it, those are my top 5 settings that you should change for the Google Home. If you have any other settings that you think I should have mentioned, or there's any others that you think are just good for me to know about, be sure to mention them down in the comment section down below. And be sure to subscribe to see more technology videos like this one. So I hope you all have a great day. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.